Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. In a small saucepan, melt butter. Stir in flour, salt and pepper until smooth. Gradually whisk in milk. Coat an 8-in square baking dish with cooking spray. Bake, covered, 50 minutes. Uncover. Bake until bubbly and potatoes are tender, 10 to 15 minutes longer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Scalloped or au gratin potatoes are so simple. But it can be frustrating when the creamy sauce and cheese separate or look curdled. The curdling is caused by high heat, which is hard to avoid in an oven. So to keep the sauce together, tackle it before the dish goes in the oven. 18 November 2009.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to make scalloped potatoes. Thinly slice potatoes and onions. Make homemade sauce, recipe below. Layer potatoes, onions and sauce. Cover and bake. Remove foil and bake a bit more. This step creates the delicious brown top on the scalloped potatoes. The 1st of April 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Steps. Heat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray 2-quart casserole with cooking spray. In 2-quart saucepan, melt 3 tablespoons of the butter over medium heat. Cook onion in butter about 2 minutes, stirring occasionally, until tender. Mix potatoes and ham in casserole. Gently press down so surface is even. Cover and bake 30 minutes.
Take our lead.
Bake until the potatoes are completely tender when pierced with a paring knife, 45 minutes to 1 hour. Remove the potatoes from the oven and heat the broiler on high. Uncover the potatoes and gently press them down with a flat spatula so the cream mixture mostly covers them.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.